Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a deck review of the Goddess Power Oracle by Colette Baron Reid. I've had this deck for a little less than a year. The mystical, the magical, the numinous quality of life is the domain of the fierce and creative feminine aspect of the universe. It's got a pretty large book. I know some people aren't particularly fond, but I like this person's decks and art. I think they're really beautiful. So this book has introduction, each of the goddesses, and suggestions on how to use it. Some spreads as well. So there's the ones that I particularly use are the new moon and the full moon. And I really enjoy those. So this is one that I use fairly regularly. Here's the actual little deck container. Magic is everywhere, and the goddess will help you claim it. These are a nice size for me. I think the cardstock is, moderate, not bad. These are not in any particular order. I find this card really beautiful. I think it's Mama Kocha, Demeter, Oshun, Lakshmi, Elen, Ishtar. I really like the diversity and the racial diversity. Some people did not, but I really like it. But also I like that some more mature faces are portrayed. So I really like that aspect. I don't know how to say this word. Mnemosyne, Saraswati, Hecate, Nike, Skuld, Yi, Momakila, Maya, Rhea, I love this one of Rhea, Parvati, Eostar, Lilith, Mary, beautiful, White Buffalo Catwoman, Gaia. My favorite depiction is always a pregnant Gaia. Metis, Danu, Uzumi, Athena, Morgan, Hera, Sophia, Yukiona, Freya, Nyx, Green Tara, Kuan Yin, Bridget, Lisi, Bronwyn, Artemis, Ain, Spider-Woman, Aphrodite, Arianahan, Gula, Benzayen, or Jen, Sarudwin, Isis, Persephone, Hestia, Kali. I love the blue under Kali's eyes. I love it. Shakti. Epona. Mott. Iris. One of my favorite things is to kind of compare the representations of different goddesses in this book, and my goddess guidance oracle, as well as my divine feminine oracle. I really like that a lot. I like this deck a lot, and it's really a favorite of mine. So this is Goddess Power Oracle by Colette Baron Reid. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you use this deck, or how you use it, or if you like it, and I'll talk to you soon.